Well, this one's going to get a little bit tricky, but this get user service and this post user service were, in my opinion, a huge blunder. I think this is the worst practice I could have ever done, and I'm a little embarrassed by it. So I came up with something I can be more confident with. It starts off with a singleton class called service, and it takes the Prisma instance when instantiated. This is going to help keep the service instance alive in each request of the worker's lifecycle. Not that it matters, I don't know. I also have the user service class that has two relatable business logic, which I think are better named. You have create and find by auth ID, for instance, which are better named and organized than get user service or post user service. Um, but anyways, I take the service class and combine the user class to it. But notice how I added it to a getter, which will lazy instantiate user service. So after adding the service to the context type and then instantiating and setting it to the context inside the use Prisma middleware, which is where the Prisma instance is most relatable or relevant, I can now replace this horrible function I made and use the service class as such, and the same for this horrible function and use the service class as well. Now, you might be wondering, what is the point of what you did? Couldn't you just use Prisma to get the user create method? I mean, it's the same thing, except you wrapped it around a service. I mean, look at the way you call the create method with Prisma. It's almost the same thing. And yeah, true, but the goal for me was to create my own wrapper so that if I feel the need to pivot, I can without looking for a bunch of Prisma words or whatever. I don't know. That's the best way I can explain it.